Hey, I'm Maria and I think Arts Week is really, really fun and cool.
This is Indigenous silk painting with Auntie Pillawhook.
We chose this session because we like art and I don't know. It was also like
we thought that it would be fun and enjoyable because we enjoyed like the elective art.
Hi, I'm Charlotte and I'm writing on a poll and Arts Week has been great.
So the Year 10s are working on some Stoby pole designs to go outside the school on the streets. So we're using the 4 pillars as some inspiration, and we're looking at the history and we're looking at the students as well.
Arts Week is an amazing way to connect with our teachers and peers, and it's just amazing.
The Disney sing-along.
Yeah, the Disney sing-along.
I decided to do digital art because I enjoy drawing. I enjoy using technology.
Hi, I'm Joanne Bujani-Selick, and today we're running a miniature making course.
we are making miniature items.
I've always been into tiny things because little things sort of intrigue and they make you sort of come in a bit closer and see the detail. So it's inspiring and it's a lot of fun.
We're painting this class painting for our class.
This one we are doing like a glucose molecule, and we're doing different fruits to represent the different atoms.
So in merch design this week, we're designing icons for each one of the activities. So for the logo across the week, we have a little paint palette with a paintbrush. For one of the makeup sessions, we have a little makeup palette. And for ukulele lessons, we have a little ukulele. So we're currently in the process of designing all of them, and then we're going to be putting them on keychains for people to buy.
Currently we're hosting the Lego Challenge, and what I really like about this session is that the students have an opportunity to work in groups. They share their ideas, be creative, and they're working with students from all different year levels. So it's been really good and they're engaged.
This is the toilet door project, so we're painting boards to put on the toilet doors to make it a bit lighter, a bit more fun and like less dull.
So we're planting some small and big plants. We're putting the small ones around the outside to make it look cute, and then the ones that'll grow a bit bigger, we're putting them in the middle to make them more like a forest. And yeah, and then we've got some girls wedding as well, which is really good. I'm really excited. We're doing hip hop lessons on Friday.
And I'm excited for the makeup sessions on Thursday.
teach you how to think tangentially, sideways, look out of the box.
I think this week has been a really exciting initiative for St Mary's College. It's been really wonderful to walk around through the buildings and the outdoor spaces and see all of the different projects coming to life. I've also really enjoyed seeing the way, different students get an opportunity either to learn something new or to really shine at something. So, with the advanced tap workshop where we just were, to see those students getting to stretch themselves. And I loved watching the miniatures and the painting of the Stobie poles, just seeing how engrossed people were in those activities. For myself, I've had a great time with the evening workshop. So I was in the Greek taverna and danced the zorba. Last night I learnt ukulele. Tonight I'm looking forward to hip hop and African drumming. So I think it's been a really exciting week and a really great celebration of the arts and a really good celebration of community. Like, so many staff and students have needed to come together and work in different ways to make the week work, and that's really good to see as well.